So guys, welcome back to my channel. By the way, if you are new to this channel, please before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I just need you to just click on the subscribe button. It won't take you much of your time. And let's get started now. We can see our card JPY code once we do analysis. Now I want you to note something. If you go back to watch my previous video that I did a weekly analysis on our you see CAD JPY, Swiss franc JPY, pound JPY, I said something that our JPY will be falling while any pair relating to it will actually be going up, will be going bullish, and you can confirm it. We saw the move yesterday. I even had the arrow here. I've never moved it. We saw the move yesterday, a bullish, a good bullish move. We had that yesterday, about 100 plus pips we moved yesterday. We saw another one for today. Our price has opened bullish and we've gone about 35 pips. That is why I want you to subscribe so you'll be able to get an update, and everything. If you want, just please subscribe and like and share. So now let's see our price will be moving for today. Like I said, we will be going bullish, by the way, and we've actually gone bullish. Now I want you to know something. There's every possibility we will continue to be going bullish again, because one thing that I'm seeing is that our price, our cash can actually fall below it, but I am not seeing that movement. The reason is that I've gone to check my let me see it, my JPY. I've not seen, there's no major news that is going to be coming out that will indicate that our JPY will actually be changing direction, or there will be any major movements, by the way. So this is only the JPY news that has come out. So time has gone, no major news that can come out to affect our price movement. That is why I said, since no major movement that is going to come out to affect our price movement, then definitely we are also going to be trading based on our technical analysis. No news will be included in it. Now you can see our CADJPY, it has gone bullish, and let's see if we can go bullish again. It is our area here that should be giving us about 100 plus pips. Between today and tomorrow, we should be able to hit this our resistance level, or higher resistance level, before we actually now see a drop, because no news, by the way. So we have got about 35 pips. If you want to take your trade now, fine, you should be able to at least grab 60 to 70 more pips at least for today, which no, by the way, we are actually going bullish, by the way. So our card is actually going bullish. If you my subscriber, you would have gotten out the updates where to take your trade and everything. So that's why I want you to subscribe. We can see now our price has hit this our area here. I'll call it a mini resistance. Now our price is about to break above it to hit this our above, we like call it major resistance level, before you actually now see a fall. Same thing, our 4 hour is actually showing us, by the way. We actually get trying to probably see a retracement, a little bit of a retracement back downward. Then we actually now see that bullish move. It's this our resistance level here, before you actually now see that fall on our 4 hour time frame. Same thing with my 1 hour time frame. We are still bullish, massive bullish move. We are still on a bullish uptrend move. You can actually wait when our price comes back to retest this our area here. Then you actually not take your buy position, or you can actually just take your buy position, because we're actually still going bullish and we have about 70 plus pips more to grab for today. So that is my analysis for CAD JPY for today. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.